This month, we explore how enterprises are preparing for an AI-driven future by treating data as a true competitive asset. We'll look at how global geopolitics is reshaping supply chains and why resilience now matters more than efficiency. Then, we go inside one of the world's most complex network businesses to see how Ericsson is transforming supply chain planning at scale. And finally, we'll see how multi-agent AI systems are rewriting the future of scientific discovery. Hi, I'm Dr. Pramad Kant with Infosys Knowledge Institute. At the Friedkin Group, data isn't just information. It's treated like corporate capital. The Chief Data and Analytics Officer explains how good governance, strong stewardship, and cultural readiness create real business value.
I'm a huge advocate for the concept of treating data as a corporate asset, literally an asset that adds value to your corporation, just like your vehicle fleet or your real estate or your employees. This is an asset that you have in your company that has value to it. And the more and more we advance the field of analytics and AI agents, and these capabilities become more commoditized, really a differentiator for companies is going to be the data that they have.
The Friedkin Group is using mathematics, AI, and emerging agentic systems to transform operations while keeping business change management at the center of success. COVID-19 didn't just disrupt supply chains, it rewired global strategy. Dr. Gautam Desiraju, one of India's most distinguished scientists, explains why today's supply chains are shaped as much by geopolitics as logistics.
Originally, it was just in time. Now it is just in case. There are no friends and enemies anymore. There are only interests. And each of these nations, countries, empires, whatever you call them, they're going to act in their self-interest primarily. And they're going to view other nations from the point of view of their self-interest.
He shares how India's unique history, balancing relationships between East and West, gives it a strategic leverage in a multipolar world, and why leaders must develop deeper insight disciplines to navigate complexity. Ericsson's global supply chain supports hundreds of unique customer networks, and now it's being unified through integrated business planning. Leaders from Ericsson, SAP, and Infosys share how a three-in-a-box model is replacing decades of siloed processes with a single, digital-first platform.
We have worked in Excel spreadsheets for many years. Of course, we have tried to digitalize in small steps, but what I'm expecting now from us implementing integrated business plan is that we become more digitalized, more proactive rather than reactive, and faster to execution.
Through SAP IBP and Infosys transformation expertise, Ericsson is improving demand accuracy, speeding execution, strengthening data governance, and preparing for an AI-enabled forecasting across the enterprise. The next leap in AI isn't just bigger models, it's a team of agents working together. At Cambridge, these agents are enabling autonomous scientific workflows, from designing experiments to generating full research reports, opening the door to self-driving labs and machine-led discovery.
So we asked our system to build an emulator for matter power spectrum, which is a particular code we use in cosmology quite a lot. Comes back with a nice paper, looks about like this, talking about the efficient emulation of the matter power spectrum. It's got nice plots in it, which show you what the accuracy is like and how they all perform. And the amazing thing, it does this in 10 minutes. Right? And it does this in 10 minutes, but also the result it came with was 8 times better than anything in the literature before. And so this essentially is taking what would be 6 months of research, and now you can do it while you go away and have a coffee.
Multi-agent systems can turn foundation models into coordinated scientific teams that plan, code, validate, and even self-improve. Across industries, leaders are using AI not just to speed up work, but to rethink how data, science, and supply chains operate in a more complex world. Watch all 4 interviews now in the video section at infosys.com/IKI. Until next time, keep learning and keep sharing.